Hey guys, I'm out here fixing my sprinklers today. The sprinklers behind me I just turned on to show you, but every time it's on you can see, let me see if I can get in closer, water is kind of just pouring out from right here. So instead of calling a plumber, I figured I'll just try to remove this whole thing and then replace it with a new one so that it'll stop leaking, because it causes a huge puddle every time. So I'm gonna turn off the sprinklers and see if I could get that removed. Okay, I've got this wrench on here and I'm gonna try to just twist this off. I'm afraid I'm gonna break more than just the top because the whole thing seems to be moving. So I'm not really sure why it's on here so tight. I don't think any of these other things can just easily come off. Let me see if I can get all these tools here to see if I can find just an easy way to start taking things apart. I don't think these will just come apart. Let's give this a try. Nope. I wonder if these are just glued on. So weird. Okay, let me try this again. So I just had it to hold on to this bottom so it doesn't move. Alrighty, so I'm gonna head out to Home Depot and see if I could get a replacement one of these things. I'll bring both of these pieces with me just so I can measure it out and make sure I get the right part. Cool. Okay, so I'm back. I ended up having to buy this whole thing because they don't sell just the cap. So I bet if you were to scour the internet, you could find that. I just don't have time because I need to get this back on. I'll just save the rest because I have these all around, not all around the house. I also have them in the front yard for the sprinklers there. So I'm just gonna grab, let's see if I can use this to take this off. I should have put it in the shade. The sun is making it super hot. It's burning a little bit. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Try what I did earlier. It's gonna be this way. And then I'll use a second one. Is it this one? Where did this come from? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I'm just gonna try that again. It's on here pretty tight, which doesn't even make sense. do this on the grass so it doesn't get completely scratched up. Cool. That was way harder than it should have been. So I'll just move back over there, screw it back on tightly, and then I'll turn on the sprinkler. Alright, I'm just gonna go turn on the sprinkler. So the sprinklers are on, if you can see, and that fixed it. So for 20 bucks for this whole housing thing, whoops. So for 20 bucks for this entire thing, I was able to fix that leak. So you guys, don't call a plumber. They'll probably charge you 100 bucks for that. Such a simple fix that would cost you 20 bucks plus you get extra parts. And that was probably, I don't know, with going to Home Depot, 30 minutes of work. So definitely you guys, give it a try.